Matampuhin.
Ano, favorite line niya? Yoko nyan! Ay, yoko.
Madaling mainis.
Bugnutin. Anong masasabi mo kay Alira? Sumagot ka!
When you're down and trouble and you need a helping hand and nothing is going right. Close your eyes and think of me, and soon I will be there to brighten up even your darkest night. You just call up my name, and you know wherever I am, I'll come running. Oh yeah, babe, to see you again. Winter, spring, summer, or fall, now all you got to do is call, and I'll be there, yeah, yeah, yeah. You've got a friend. If the sky...
Hi Alira, happy 18th birthday. My only wish is for you to find your success and happiness in life.
Hi Alira, sana matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo. Happy birthday.
Hi Tala, I wish na success ka sa PUP and sa future, okay ka.
Hi Tita Lira, happy birthday. Sana stay slayable ka pa din. Love you. Hi Ali, happy 18th birthday. 18 ka na. Pwede mo na akong sagutin. More kain to come. Love you.
Hi Alira, happy birthday! I know sa talent mo, malayo ang mararating mo. So, nandito lang ako para supportahan ka. Love you!
Happy 18th birthday! More birthdays to come and good health for you and love kini ate lagi.
Happy birthday, Alira! 18 ka na. So, alam mo na ang mga gagawin mo. Alam mo na mag-desisyon sa bawat ginagawa mo. Okay na yon sa amin na isa ka mabait na bata. Sana wish ko na maging successful ka someday. Tinahak mong course na yan. I love you, Alira!
Alira, happy birthday! Sana wish ko lang, sana matupad yung mga pangarap mo, matapos ka ng pag-aaral, at higit sa lahat huwag ka makalimut sa taas. Happy birthday!
You just call out my name, and you know wherever I am, I'll come running to see you again. Oh babe, don't you know about winter, spring, summer, or fall? Hey, now all you've got to do is call. Lord, I'll be there, yes I will. No, you've got a friend. You've got a friend, yeah. Ain't it good to know you've got a friend? Ain't it good to know you've got a friend? Oh yeah, yeah, you've got a friend.